Hi everyone, a very good morning and welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. So today is a Wednesday, 30th of December 2020, and we are just 2 days shy from the new year on this Friday, 1st of January. What we have seen so far for this week on a Monday, markets was more active and volatile, with gold prices moving within a 30 US dollar range for four cycles. And for the UK pound, we do see the UK pound weakening about 140 pips on a Monday. On a Tuesday itself, markets was mostly quiet and consolidating, with gold prices trading within a 13 US dollar range, and also currency pairs trading within a quiet range. So today is a Wednesday, and the major news for today will be from the UK, where it is reported that the European Union and the UK are about to finally sign a trade deal in Brussels today. So the trade deal will be signed by European Union chiefs before being delivered to London for Boris Johnson to put pen to paper. So let's just have a look at the other major news before we go to the MT4 technical charts. So no major news for the Eurozone, but the euro dollar did strengthen yesterday. Gold prices, as mentioned, traded within a very tight 13 US dollar range as it consolidated due to a lack of news and also with the New Year's holidays coming up. And of course, we do see, oh sorry, we do see the S&P 500, especially the Dow Jones Industrial Average, moving down after some profit taking after the equity indices has hit record highs over yesterday. Okay, so moving on to the MT4 charts, as mentioned just now. First of all, let us have a quick look at the US dollar index. The US dollar index for yesterday weakened from a high of 90.14 all the way to a low of 89.76. This was a major push down, and it was also breaking the previous support levels of 89.90. And then, as of this morning, the US dollar index is further testing 89.67 levels. So, looking into sort of the future, moving forward, the US dollar index still has room to go down. Possibly it will likely test 88.85 levels in the near future. Okay, so with the US dollar weakening yesterday, we do see the euro dollar rising from a low of 1.2206 all the way to a high of 1.2273. This was a 67 pip move up, and as of this morning, the euro dollar again strengthened from 1.2251 all the way to 1.2295 levels. This was a 43 pip move up. Okay, so markets are pretty active for the Asian financial sessions, especially for the euro dollar and also for the UK pound. So as for the UK pound, again, yesterday it just strengthened from about 1.3438 levels all the way to a high of 1.3521 levels. This was about 83 pip movement up, and then after it consolidated within a this is about just a 36 pip consolidation range. Again, this morning the UK pound moved up from 1.3494 all the way to a high of 1.3545. This was a 51 pip move up so far for this morning's Asian financial session. Okay, so moving on to gold prices. Gold prices, as we saw just now in the report, it was just trading within a very tight $13.50 consolidation range on a Tuesday. And as of this morning, it's starting to move up from 1879 to a current high of 1885. Well, just about $6 movement up. Okay, so currently markets are very quiet, very tentative. You can see the price action or the movements are not really there yet. So possibly towards the afternoon or more likely towards the evening tonight, markets will become more volatile. Okay, so aside from the UK Brexit data news, in terms of the economic calendar, we have some minor economic data coming out from the UK. The house pricing index at 3 p.m. today, Malaysia time. We have some consumer price index for Spain at 4 p.m. And we have a Credit Suisse economic expectations report from Switzerland at 5 p.m. But I guess for the afternoon session, the focus will still be on the Brexit trade deal to be signed between the European Union and the UK. And of course, towards the evening, we could be looking towards the US set of economic data, such as the goods trade balance, Chicago Purchasing Managers Index data, pending home sales, and of course, being a Wednesday, we will be having the crude oil inventories report coming out at 11:30 p.m. So we could be seeing some volatility on crude oil prices and also on the Canadian dollar. Okay. So yeah, so markets are again approaching New Year's Day on a Friday. Markets will be closed on a Friday, and for tomorrow on a Thursday, just one day before the holiday, markets are also expected to be quiet. Okay, so a very happy New Year to everyone. A very early wish to everyone, a very happy New Year, and I'll see you again for another market update tomorrow. Thank you, take care, and have a good day. Thank you.